to know why I'm hyper? Because I've had tea, a lot of tea, like all I've had has just been like tea, and then more tea, and I just feel like dancing, dancing my way. Just once. So I think I'm going to have a little party, because that is what I do. We have the party, and we need to find the song for the party. And I don't know what song to do.